Greetings, real estate enthusiasts and future moguls. Welcome to the House Lux Estate channel, your guide to creating a steady stream of passive income through the world of real estate. We're here to offer insights, strategies, and tips to help you make the most of your investments. The beauty of real estate is that it doesn't just offer a roof over your head, it can also be a reliable source of wealth growth. So, without further ado, let's delve into the exciting world of real estate investing. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, it's crucial to understand what passive income means. In its simplest form, passive income is money earned with minimal effort. Imagine waking up to a notification that you've made money while you were asleep. That's the beauty of passive income. Now, don't confuse passive income with active income. Active income is what you earn from your 9-to-5 job, where you trade time for money. With passive income, on the other hand, your money works for you. You invest time and money up front, and then the income stream requires little to no maintenance. The benefits? Well, passive income provides financial security and freedom. It allows you to earn money around the clock, not just during business hours. Plus, it can serve as a safety net during economic downturns or personal emergencies. Now that we understand passive income, let's explore how real estate fits into this equation. Real estate, with its myriad of options, offers numerous avenues for generating passive income. Now let's delve into how exactly this works. Firstly, rental income is one of the most common ways real estate can generate passive income. By purchasing a property and renting it out, you can earn a steady stream of income from your tenants. This could be a residential property, like a house or an apartment, or a commercial property, such as an office building or retail space. The key here is to ensure that the rental income exceeds the expenses associated with the property, like mortgage payments, taxes, and maintenance costs. Now let's shift gears and talk about real estate investment trusts, often referred to as REITs. Essentially, REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate. What's fantastic about REITs is that you can invest in them much like you would stocks, and they're required by law to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders annually. This means you can potentially earn regular dividends without having to deal with the nitty-gritty of property management. Finally, let's discuss a more recent innovation in the real estate industry: crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding platforms allow you to pool your money with other investors to fund a real estate project. This could be the development of a new apartment complex, the renovation of an existing property, or other real estate ventures. The returns from these projects are then distributed amongst the investors, providing another potential source of passive income. But remember, every investment carries some level of risk, and real estate is no exception. It's essential to do your due diligence, research each opportunity thoroughly, and consider seeking advice from a financial advisor or an experienced real estate professional. These are just a few examples. The possibilities are endless when it comes to real estate. Whether you're looking to dip your toes in the water or dive in headfirst, the world of real estate offers a multitude of opportunities for generating passive income. Building a passive income stream with real estate is not as daunting as it may seem. Let's break down this journey into clear, easy-to-follow steps. Starting off, our first step is property acquisition. This is the cornerstone of any real estate venture. You can't generate income from real estate without owning property, right? Therefore, you need to find a property that's both affordable and has potential for profitability. This could be a rental property, a fixer-upper, or even vacant land. But remember, not every property is a gold mine. This is where research comes into play. You need to understand the market trends, the neighborhood, and the potential return on investment. A solid understanding of these factors can help you make a wise decision that could pay off in the long run. Once you've acquired a property, you enter the second step: property management. This is where you begin to generate income from your investment. If you've bought a rental property, you'll start by finding tenants. If it's a fixer-upper, you'll need to renovate before selling or renting. For vacant land, you might consider developing it or leasing it. Managing your property effectively can ensure a steady flow of income. However, bear in mind that this stage might require some additional investment, like maintenance costs or renovation expenses. But don't fret, these are often outweighed by the income generated in the long term. Let's not forget about the importance of legal and financial considerations. You need to understand the tax implications of your real estate investment, as well as any zoning laws or regulations that might apply. Not doing so could lead to unexpected costs or legal issues down the line. Now, onto the final step: income generation. This is the stage where you start to see the fruits of your labor. If you've managed your property well, you should start to see a regular passive income stream. This could be in the form of rent payments, profits from a property sale, or income from a land lease. The beauty of real estate is that once you've set it up, it can generate income for years to come. That's the power of passive income. But let's not forget, building a passive income stream with real estate is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires diligence, patience, and a willingness to learn. It's a journey, not a sprint. You might face challenges along the way, but with perseverance, you can overcome them and reap the rewards. In conclusion, building a passive income stream with real estate involves property acquisition, effective property management, and diligent income generation. Each step is crucial and requires careful planning and execution. But with the right mindset and approach, you can build a profitable and sustainable passive income stream. Remember, the key to success in real estate is research, patience, and perseverance. While the prospect of passive income is enticing, it's important to be aware of the common pitfalls in real estate investing. First up, we have the classic mistake of choosing a poor location. As the old saying goes, in real estate, it's all about location, location, location. The best properties are those in areas with strong rental demand, good schools, and nearby amenities. A mistake in choosing the location can sour your investment, leaving you with vacancies and poor returns. So remember, research is key. Now let's talk about the second common mistake, ignoring property management. Property management is more than just collecting rent. It involves handling repairs, dealing with tenants, and keeping up with the law. Many investors underestimate the time and effort required for effective property management. Ignoring this aspect can lead to unhappy tenants, and ultimately a negative impact on your returns. Consider hiring a professional property manager if you're finding it too much to handle. Next on our list is the lack of diversification. Just like in any investment, diversifying your real estate portfolio is crucial. If all your properties are in the same area, any downturn in that market can hit you hard. Diversifying across different regions or types of properties can help you weather any local market downturns. So don't put all your eggs in one basket. Underestimating costs is another common mistake. From maintenance and repair costs to property management fees and taxes, the expenses associated with owning a rental property can quickly add up. Make sure to factor these into your calculations when assessing potential returns. Finally, let's talk about the mistake of rushing into deals. Real estate investing requires patience. Jumping into a deal without proper due diligence can lead to financial disaster. Take your time, do your research, and make sure the numbers work before committing. Avoiding these mistakes can make your journey to building a passive income stream smoother and more profitable. So go out there and invest wisely. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We started off by understanding what passive income is, a stream of income that requires little to no effort to maintain. We then explored how real estate can be a fantastic vehicle for generating this kind of income. Whether it's through rental income, real estate investment trusts, or flipping houses, there are myriad ways to build a passive income stream through real estate. We also looked at the steps needed to get started. Remember, it's all about research, understanding the market, and making prudent investment decisions. Having a clear plan, getting your finances in order, choosing the right property, and managing it effectively are all crucial steps in this process. And let's not forget the common mistakes to avoid. Not doing your homework, neglecting to consider all costs, and failing to properly manage your properties. These are pitfalls that can hinder your real estate investing journey. But with careful planning and due diligence, you can sidestep these issues and be on your way to building a robust passive income stream. Building a passive income stream with real estate is not an overnight process. It requires patience, diligence, and a willingness to learn. But the rewards can be truly life-changing. So why not start your journey today? Thank you for joining us today on House Lux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of real estate. Here's to your success in building a passive income stream with real estate.